Good morning. This is what is this? Homework questions, lesson 3, CP2. This is unit 7. Um, hope it's been a good day. I have a surprise at the end of this one. Yep, you'll really like it. 100th subscriber, 5 stickers. That's right. Jump on, row the boat, children. Okay. So how do we do this? Well, yesterday you learned, hopefully, that a tangent line and un radius, what type of angle do they form? A 90. Oh, that's nice. And 120 and said angle right here, what do they have to add up to? 180. So that makes the question mark there. 60. Therefore, now I have myself a nice little right triangle. It looks something like this. Not perfect, but I got a 60 and a 90, and I could find that y value, which would have to be 30. So there you go. Oops, that's not what I wanted. All right, so let's employ some of our skills here to this quadrilateral post. And it's a circle, a quadrilateral post is circumscribed by a circle, about a circle y. So that means that the circle's points, got 4 points that touch the quadrilateral's edges. Okay, OR is 13. Okay, so first of all, what would have to be true about this and this? They got to be congruent, right? They're both tangent lines from a similar point O. Also, the same thing will be true here. Not well drawn, but those two will be the same. And guess what? They're marked the same. So all of these, I could say, are the same length. You can't do that without these markings right here. Right? But I would know the blue and the red. The blue is congruent to the blue, and the red is congruent to the red without those markings. Okay, so now down here, I can see that those will be congruent. And therefore, because I see these markings here, these will be congruent. So let's employ what we know about OR. OR is 13. So that makes OA 13, AP 13, and CP 13. Okay, ST is 12. I think that's supposed to be 12 units and 13 units. So we'll go with that. ST is 13. Ooh, this is kind of yucky. But this whole thing is 13. 12. Thank you. 12. 12. Thank you. So what does that make this and this? 6 and 6. Sure. So I think it's asking for the perimeter, right? Yeah, the perimeter. So let's add them up. How many 13s do I have? 4 of them. I'm not going to add 13 4 times. I'm just going to multiply. And then how many 6s do I have? Try again. Try again. 4 of them, right? I got a 12 and 2 6s. That's 4 6s. So 13 times 4, I think, is 52. 4 times 6 is 24. So that looks like 76 units for the perimeter. Show. Okay, for you children, we're going to try to come up with the equation of the line AT. I know one point on the line is 815, so I can plug those in. Now all I have to do is find the slope. What do I know the slope will be perpendicular to? This slope will be perpendicular to this slope, right? Because it's a radius and a tangent. So how do I find the slope of the red line? Well, I take the 2 points. So the slope of line OA would equal change in y over change in x. What are the y values? You got 25% chance of guessing it. Actually, 50% chance. Oh, 15. Thanks in the back. 15. Okay, for the kids at home. Okay, so 15 is one of the y values. How about 0? Oh, 0. Oh, it's not OA. It's OP or PA. Got it. And then 8. Oh, okay, 8 and 0. Okay, so the slope of PA is 15 eighths. So how would I find the slope of a line that's perpendicular to that? I'd take the opposite reciprocal. So what would that be? Flip it over. That's the reciprocal piece. And then opposite tells me to change the sign, make it a -8. And there you go. those would be our slope and point in point slope form. Cool. Like, subscribe, comment below. Have fun with the snow.